Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. Today we will learn about how to decode JSON in the Go programming language. So before learning that, I wanted to share with you that I have created a Golang quick reference PDF. So you can download it from your backendbuddy.com and write your email ID and submit that form, so you will receive the PDF of the Golang quick reference, so you can easily revise all the concept very quickly. And I have also written in the description, so you can visit that URL also. So let's begin to learn how we can decode the JSON in the Go programming language. So here is the example of the Golang to decode the JSON. So right now here func main is there, and now if you see here we have declared the student structure which contain ID and the name. Okay, ID is integer and name is the student name. So now just assume like there is a lot of students data is available in the JSON format. So here if you see ID1 name backend, ID2 name buddy, kind of that way a lot of students data is available into the JSON format. So it is JSON input. Now we want to decode it into the array of the student. Okay, so we will need some package. So mainly that encoding/JSON is used to encode and the decode of the JSON in the Go programming language. So now for JSON input, we want to transfer those data into the student array. So for that Unmarshal is used, json.Unmarshal. So it's like it as per, if you see signature like func json.Unmarshal, and it contain the data in the byte. So here it will be a JSON input. Okay, and we means where we want to add all the JSON data, and if any error then it will return the error. So Unmarshal passes the JSON encoded data and store the result in the value pointed by v. Okay, so first argument is a JSON, second is where we want to store. So for example json.Unmarshal, here if you see, so we have given our input of the JSON array, and here student, our which is student structure is there, and we have created array of student. Okay, because we have multiple, so array of student we have created. Now if we do this Unmarshal, then this all the JSON input data will go into this array, and if any error then we will print here error. Now if we want to print this data, then we can directly print like students array of this student. So it will give one backend, two buddy will be there, and if we want to traverse to loop, then we can apply the loop of this array of the student, like a student equal to a range of students, and then we can print here like ID and name. So here it will give the output like ID is 1, name is backend, ID is 2, and name is buddy. Okay, so whenever we want to decode any JSON of the JSON data into the particular our array structure or anything, then we use json.Unmarshal. That function is used. So it will take JSON input, and in the second parameter it will write all the data of the JSON. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt then write in the comment. So whenever I get time I will reply you. And if you are new and not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will give me a motivation to deliver you more backend development content. And don't forget to press on the bell icon. And yeah, I have also created the Golang quick reference book PDF file, so you can visit to the yourbackendbuddy.com. I have given link in the description also, so you can register your email and you will get your Golang quick reference PDF on your email. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.